Today I come up with new video for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, share, subscribe and bell icon given below so that you can get notification when I upload new videos for you. Today we are going to measure this slot mill cutter. You can see which have different inserts on this cutter, and I am rotating it. As you can see these inserts, as you can see from the top side of this in this cutter. This is slot mill and it have you can see it is in front of this infrared radiations, and it will come one by one in front of this radiation, and it will be set manually according to the screen. As infrared radiations comes in front of this cutting edge, and it will preview on the screen as the shape comes on the screen. As you can see, we will manually adjust it. As we will at the bottom right corner of the screen, we will set it. As you can see, we have set it, and we will write the description of the tool. As we can use here a touch screen, we have uh, write the name of the tool and the size of the tool with the help of the touch screen keyboard. This is a, we can say this is grooving tool, or we can say slot mill tool, and the size is 100 diameter. You can see here I put it name as its description, and now we will put it tool number. We can put it 8, 4, 2, 1, 10, 11 according to the machine, according to the program. This is the shapes of the tool. We will select it 21 for this type of tool, and measuring mode is NC mode, and this is the number of cutting edges, that is 6 cutting edges, and we will put it here 6. And auto external focus mode we will select it, and 3.6 measuring range we have to select it, so that it will measure very correctly, and it is in front of this radiation, and it will come one by one. These 6, this is the 2 infrared radiations. When this insert come in between this radiation, it will preview this image here. This is the height, and this on this we have to set this, and then we will press these. We have playback these Z and X value, and this F5 we will press, so that it will auto focus, and it will measures the diameter or radius and the height of every 6 inserts one by one, as you can see, and which have the maximum height and maximum radius. It will give by indicating X in front of different values. As you can see, when different screen comes, this screen comes, and their X noted means maximum value. You can see here for the different, there is X putted, which means the maximum value. This is the maximum value, this is also the maximum value. This is radius maximum value, this is angle maximum value, this is angles maximum values, radius, this is heights maximum value. And you can see after it we will press F12 to go back, and you can see this is the maximum values out of these 6 values for different cutting edges.
and as we note 100 mm, this is the dia noted here 100. When we click on this X, it is now you can see the radius, and we will put radius only here, not a diameter. You can see the Z icon and X icon. Z means the height of the tool and X means the radius of the tool, and we will always put Z in the radius form, you can see here, and X always in the radius. Only X will be in diameter when we are setting for the boring bar, otherwise we will put it X is in radius form and Z is in radius form. And this you can see from this is the radius from here to here, 50 mm. This is the radius as it is showing on the screen. This is 50 mm radius, and the height Z from this here to here, this is the